Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to perform the running on air trick. To begin, understand that this illusion relies on creating a visual deception. Your body positioning and the use of a hidden support are crucial. We'll cover the precise steps to achieve this effect, ensuring your audience believes you're truly defying gravity. Practice each stage carefully for a flawless execution. The foundation of this trick is a robust, hidden support. This could be a small, strong step or a specially designed platform. It needs to be about 10 to 12 inches in height, allowing for a convincing step into the air. Crucially, this support must be completely invisible to your audience from all angles. Careful placement and a good distraction are key to its concealment. When performing, approach your hidden support with a casual demeanor. As you reach the spot, subtly place one foot onto the concealed platform. This foot bears your weight, while your body language suggests you're standing on nothing. Then, slowly lift your other foot, extending it as if taking a step in midair. Maintain a steady gaze and confident posture to sell the illusion. The true secret lies in convincing misdirection and precise timing. Your audience's focus should be on your floating foot, not the hidden support. Practice your movements repeatedly to ensure they are fluid and natural. A smooth, unhesitant performance is crucial for maintaining the illusion. With dedication, you can master this trick and leave your audience truly astonished by your ability to run on air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.